Hey, thanks for tuning back in to Ride, Break, Repeat. This video is about the Suzuki Quadrunner 250 me and my son picked up for free. And this video is just a wash video to get it clean before we start tearing into it. So it's a clean, fresh surface, and I figured every little update I do on it lets you all tag along for those who's interested. It'll just be a wash and then spray foam it and let it set and rinse it off and then show you all afterwards. And again, this motor has a hole in it, so right at the moment not too concerned if water gets in it, but in the future this motor will be gone through as well and freshened up, so I have an extra one. Pretty good shape for how old it is, minus a few cracks. Not in that bad of shape at all. Even the rims are still in really good shape. Really good shape. And again, I apologize if there's boring parts of the video or whatnot. I'm, I guess, kind of new to it, so I'll figure it out as I go along. But doesn't hurt to try, I guess. And I'm not one to make videos more fancier than they are. I don't do a whole lot of editing, or try not to. So it's real and raw and is what it is. I actually am impressed though with the shape of this. Minus a few spots, it's pretty good shape. Really good shape. The engine, shy of the hole in it, the engine's in excellent shape. Okay, now hook the old spray gun up. I haven't had this spray gun but about 3 weeks. Before this I just rinse it off, get some wash and a microfiber towel and scrub. But this thing's pretty neat, I guess. Wasn't too awfully expensive at all. Nope, valve stem's leaking. And the seat will get redone as well. But nothing too special about this video, just getting a fresh, clean surface before we start tearing into it. And I like on this thing too how you can unhook for just water and hook back up for foam. Pretty neat. And I've tried it too, and it doesn't work too well. I mean, it sprays, but not too well. But your regular power washing hookups will fit right to that. Pretty good. Now rinse it off. Actually turned out pretty dang good. Still dirty a little bit, but not bad. It will work. I think that'll work. Okay, here's where the hole is. See a little bit better, maybe. Yeah, you can see it, but it'll get fixed. I'm not too concerned if any water seeped in there, because we got a good motor. And then we'll go through this one, make this one a good motor as well for a backup if we ever need it. But really good shape, I think, for no more than it is. Not bad for free. Can't beat free, definitely. But that's about it for this video. The next one, start tearing it apart, tearing into it a lot more heavily. Now that it's a clean, fresh slate, clean enough for me. Take carburetor off, exhaust off, do what we have to do to get it apart, see what is salvageable in the engine and see what isn't. But if you guys haven't left yet, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time, and ride, brake, repeat.